of Bibiani Goldstars, Omunyan to Wasia Kakra. The Intia may call it playing body Ninyan to Wasia Kakra and say, Eugene, so what follow Ghana Premier League, you know, for a period, and I say for some period of time, you could see, say, clubs are more motivation, and here or more. Clubs are player welfare, a year or more priority, Bako, a Bibiani Goldstars. And now we'll talk about Kumasi Santa Kotoko AJ FA Cup. No, they were able to get their motivation right at our dressing room. The nature of the situation is that Kotoko is managed by a supreme king in the shape of His Royal Majesty Otufo Osei-Tutu. The Bibiani Goldstars is solely financed by a corporate entity, which are Omudume is in line with corporate setup. Into Abia, from the line of jurisdiction as cannot ever be drew playing body no no enya injury because the Bibiani Goldstars are minim Ghana ha one of the clubs player welfare has always been an issue of concern at Bibiani Goldstars. Anytime president of Bibiani Goldstars Ibiya platform akasebiano otimi de nsesi ni bo ekase se Ope, one of the top clubs in Ghana, the well-being and the welfare of players eye omo priority Bibiani Goldstars ka ho. So immediately I'll call for the playing body say omo nye a little bit patient na omo hwe the management of Bibiani Goldstars, because meaning say Bibiani Goldstars solely and basically financed by a mining company which is Asenka Mines as a Bibisa. So I think that how a corporate entity cash flow is see a year a jumana ebia, that's the same process ebi krana enam so a enyama obekum ebia the company which is the mining company ebe investment baby almost said they will have to get that investment so they be almost pass it through the channel of payment and the channel of corporate procedures and send a scanner. So I think that based on the backdrop say these financiers has always make sure say the Bibiani Goldstars players welfare, player well-being, and your mom they talk when maybe playing but no okay no. They've always made sure say they've had it right in a day. I think the promise of my year, playing body no and stay calm, playing body no or more management, because management has always been one of the top management or making sure say always player welfare at Bibiani Goldstars be outstanding. And I hope say with the effort to come, especially the playing body, the management they are definitely going to make sure that on promise say the bear promises for an individual biano obiansa the Canadian who the toil and the suffering now a comb out me boy Emma Bibiani Goldstars it means this needed victory. You can over this era an era of the western regions, because the last 3 editions of the Ghana Premier League is been dominated by clubs from the western region. Starting from Samates and as Samates AJM at the Nordo Emma this club it started from Mediema and a Mediema AJM Edema Samates and a Samates is AJM Ediama Bibiani Goldstars. So this is telling you that the playing body saw it upon themselves, say looking at the trend and the nature of how our Ghana Premier League champions always yetimi enyano. I think that almost at the issue mutrim and self-motivated and put in that effort the glory at me about Bibiani at long last. And this is the first time the environs of Bibiani Goldstars or more witnessing such a heroic moment say Bibiani Goldstars edging the Ghana Premier League. So I think there and for Aka, and I believe in this management and this corporate setup. They've always made sure that Bibiani Goldstars players are well kitted for. So Bekaya time I call the era of COVID-19 Bibiani Goldstars one of the teams not publicly after each month na omoba out ebe disclose payment or my to players. So I think that motivation wise, they've always been doing well, and based on precedent, see, say player welfare your more priority, player welfare your more hallmark, and I think that they would be able to pay the players the needed time. So play body no munya to was here. And I hope say with time, scan back at the right process, because the Bibiani Goldstars is being managed by a corporate entity. And corporate setup biano or more it will have to pass from channels about office we check it check it. So I think say ebia NMS kadinya because looking at teams that I work down had here open clubs player welfare down Pramaso Bibiani Goldstars.
Okay.